Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some different models in multiple and submultiple angles. After that, we will start transformations. Okay, students. First, the question number 1. Dear students, the question number 1 is the cos of a plus c upon cos of a minus c equal to cos of 2b. Then so that tan a, tan b, tan c are in geometrical progression. Okay. Therefore, students, here this is 1. Just 1 minute, student. Now reciprocal on both sides. 1 by cos 2b equal to cos of a minus c upon cos of a plus c. Okay, students. Already I explained about the method componendo dividendo. What is the student? By the method of, by using the componendo, applying on both sides the method componendo dividendo. Okay, students. The componendo dividendo means, students, first you can take plus, that is 1 plus cos 2b. Similarly, we can take between minus sign, that is 1 minus cos of 2b. Similarly, students, we can apply the method componendo dividendo on both sides, left hand side and right hand side. That is the, students, the cos of a minus c plus cos of a plus c. After that, students, we take minus sign between them, cos of a plus c. Dear students, already we know that 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a is the, students, 2 cos square a is there, here b. 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. So, dear student, this is 2 sin square b. Now, students, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is the form, students, 2 cos a cos of b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Just you can apply the cos a minus c form and cos a plus c form. Sign terms are cancelled. Cos plus cos, cos a cos c plus cos a cos c is the 2 cos a cos c upon, this is also, students, the cos of a minus c minus cos of a plus c is the, students, 2 sin a, okay, sin c. So, dear students, cancel these 2. After that, students, we can written as this is reciprocal on both sides, sin square b by cos square b equal to sin a sin c by cos a cos c. What, student? This is tan square b. So we can written as the, students, this is a tan square b equal to tan a into tan c. Therefore, students, we have to know that this is compared with b square equal to ac. That means, students, the tan b equals to under root of tan a into tan c. We know that b equal to root of ac. That means a comma b comma c are in geometrical progression. Therefore, students, we can written as tan a comma tan b comma tan c are in geometrical progression. What, students? Tan a comma tan b comma tan c are in the geometrical progression. Okay, students. Now, students, the second one, the left hand side is there, students, secant of 8a minus secant of 4a. Everybody know that it is one of the very easiest one, students. It is very easy, quite simple. We can just write the reciprocal of the secant is the cos. What is the, students? The reciprocal of the secant is the cos. This is we can written as cos 80a minus 1 upon 1 by cos 4a minus 1. Okay students, now this can be written as the students 1 minus cos of 80a by cos 80a. After then this can be written as 1 minus cos of 4a by cos of 4a. This is the students we can written as 1 minus cos 80a by cos of 80a upon, this is the students cos 4a by, just you can reciprocal the second one, second fraction, cos 4a by 1 minus cos 4a. My dear students, how can you write this is 1 minus cos of 80a. This is, we know that this is the students 2 sin square 80a by 2 4a. What is the students? 1 minus cos 80a, 2 sin square a by 2, 8a by 2 4a. After that students we can written as, how to write the student, this is there cos of 4a. Okay students, now the cos of 80a, this can be written as the students the 2 sin square of 2a. Are you understand students? How can you write this is? Just 1 minute students. The 1 minus cos of 4a is the 2 sin square 2a. Now students, here you can observe what we observed students, that equals to, we can written as 2 into, my dear students, 2 into sin of 4a cos of 4a into students sin of 4a. Sin into sin, sin square 4a. What students? The sin 4a into sin 4a is sin square 4a. After that we can written as, this is cos of 8a into 2 sin square of 2a. My dear students, 2 sin a cos a is the sin 2a. What is the form? 2 sin a cos a is the sin of 2a. This is the students we can written as sin of 2a, that is the 4a. Now student, this can be written as sin 2 into 2a upon cos of 80a 2 sin square 2a. My dear students, this is the 2 sin a cos a is the sin 2a. Therefore student, this is 2 4 jar is the 8 sin 80a. So what students, this can be written as sin of 80a. Sin 2a is the form, dear students, 2 sin a cos a. The sin of 2a is the students 2 sin a cos a. Therefore 2 sin 2a cos of 2a upon, this is the students cos of 8a. This is the students 2 sin square 2a. So my dear students, the sin a by cos 8a, sin 8a by cos 8a is the students tan of 8a. 2 cancels, 1 time sin 2a cancel, cos 2a by sin 2a, this is the students cot of 2a. Now we can written as, this is tan of 8 by tan 8a by, reciprocal of the cot is the students tan, that is the tan of 2a. This is the students right hand side. Write down student, just now, just here we can apply the 1 minus cos 2a 2 sin square a. Here also 1 minus of cos 2a 2 sin square a. 8a by 2 4a, 4a by 2 2a. After that students, this can be written as sin of 4a into sin of 4a. 2 sin a cos a is the student sin 2a. Therefore sin 4a can be written as 2 into 2a. Sin 2a is the form 2 sin 2a cos 2a. Therefore, cos 2a by sin 2a is the cot of 2a. Write down, students. My dear students, now the third one. So that the value of tan 9 degrees. Tan of 27 degrees minus tan 63 degrees plus a tan 81 degrees. What is the, students? Tan of 81 degrees equal to, so that value is also 4. So how to find the, student? This is, find the value of tan 9, tan 27, tan 63, tan 81. My dear students, how can you write this is? First of all, we are taking tan 9 and tan of 81. Are you understand, students? First we are taking the positive terms in the bracket. After then, students, minus is the common in the middle terms. That is the, students, tan of 27 degrees, tan of 63 degrees. Now, students, we have to know that 90 minus 81 is the 9. What is the, students? If any angle subtract from 90, the tan will come cot. This can be written as the, students, this is equal to cot 9 degrees. Similarly, students, the tan of 27 degrees, this is also, students, cot of 27 degrees. Tan 27, this is the cot of 27. Okay. Dear students, how can you write this is? Tan 9 degrees 1 by tan 9 degrees. My dear student, this is minus of tan 27 plus 1 by tan of 27. Tan 27 plus 1 upon tan 27. Dear students, how can you write the, student? This is tan 9. Tan 9 degrees. We can written as 1 plus tan into tan is the, students, tan square 9 degrees. So this is the, students, we can written as tan of 27 degrees 1 plus tan into tan is the, students, tan square 27 degrees. Okay, students, everybody know that, my dear students, what we know that tan 9 is there. Therefore, this can be written as 1 plus tan 9 by 1 plus tan square 9 degrees. We have to take into 2 and by 2. Are you understand, students? This is also, students, we can written as, first you can write this one in the denominator of the tan of 27. So this is also, similarly, we are taking into 2 by 2. This is the, students, tan of 27 degrees upon 1 plus tan square 27 degrees. Dear students, what you know that 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is the formula of sin 2a in terms of tan. Sin 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So everybody know that the sin of 2a, we know that, dear students, the sin 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square of a. So sin 2a is the 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is the, students, we can written as sin 2a. Sin 2a means sin of 18 degrees. After that, this is the, students, minus 2 into sin of 2a. 2 into 27, 54 degrees. Dear students, the sin 15 degrees is the value root 5 minus 1 by 4. What is the, students? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. We know that, dear students, the sin 54 is equal to cos of 36. Yes or no, students? The sin 54 equal to cos 36. The value of cos 36 equal to The value of cos of 36 is the root to 5 plus 1 by 4. This is the students we can written as how to write the student. This is 4 into 2 is the 8 upon root 5 minus 1, 8 upon root 5 plus 1. Okay students, now students we are taking the common is the 8. This is root to 5 plus 1 into root to 5 minus 1. Is it clear? How to take this is root 5 minus 1, root 5 plus 1. Now students, just you have to multiply with this one, root of 5 plus 1. So now this is the students minus the root 5 minus of minus plus 1. So 8 is the common students, root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1. So students, these are cancelled. Now 1 plus 1 is the 2. 8 into 2 is the students 16. So my dear students, finally you can written as 16 upon 1 plus 1 2. 8 2 jar is the 16. Now this is the a square minus b square. A square is the 5 minus b square is the 1. So students, 16 by 4 is the 4. That equal to RHS. Write down students. My dear students, find the value of cot of 7 pi by 16. 2 cot of 3 pi by 8. Cot of 15 pi by 16. Okay students, cot 7 pi by 16. 2 cot 3 pi by 8. Then cot of 15 pi by 16. Okay students, right now students, the first this one can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. How can you write the students? How can you write the student? Tan 90 minus theta is the cot theta. Okay, this is also students we can written as 2 into tan of 90 minus theta. Okay students, now the last one students we can written as cot of pi minus pi by 16. Cos of pi minus pi by 16 is the students 15 pi by 16. What students we can written as the cot of pi minus, what is the students? Cot of pi minus pi by 16. Are you understand students? Now how to write the students? This is just we can observe the students. How can you written this is cot of tan of, this is the students LCM is the 16. What is the students? LCM is the 16. So 2 8s are 8 pi minus 7 pi is the students pi by 16. Are you understand students? Now here we are taking the LCM is the 16. Therefore 2 8s are 8 pi minus 7 pi pi by 16. Now this is the students we can take an as the tan of, what is the students LCM? 8. LCM is 8. 2 4s are, therefore students 2 4s are 4 pi minus 3 pi is the pi by 18. Okay students, after that students the cot of 180 minus theta second quadrant, this is the students cot 180 minus theta is the cot theta. Now student, this is sin pi by 16 by cos of pi by 16. This is the students cos of pi by 16 by minus sin of pi by 16. So students, the middle one is the 2 tan pi by 8. Okay students, how can you write the student? This is, all of you know that this is sin square, the sin square pi by 16 minus cos square pi by 16 upon we can written as sin pi by 16 cos pi by 16. Are you understand students? Just we have to take LCM only. After that students, what is the middle one? That is the 2 tan pi by 8. So students, just we take the common term cos square a minus sin square a is know that cos of 2a. So student, just we take minus, the minus of cos square pi by 16 minus of sin square pi by 16 upon we can written as into 2, this is by 2 sin pi by 16 cos pi by 16. Are you understand students? Just we take here into 2 by 2 because of only the reason students 2 sin a cos a we know that. Therefore is there 2 tan pi by 8. My dear students, we know that cos square a minus sin square a. What students? Cos square a minus sin square a is the students cos of 2a. Therefore students, minus 2 into cos of 2a pi by 16. This is the students 2 sin a cos a is the sine of 2a. So dear student, this is the sine of 2a. Okay, 2 sin a cos a is the student sine of 2a. Is there 2 tan pi by 8. So how can you write the students? This is just we take the students right now. All of you observed here. My dear students, the 2 is the common. Minus 2 is also common students. When we are taking the minus 2, this is cos pi by 8 by sin pi by 8. We are taking the minus 2 is the common. Sin pi by 8 cos of pi by 8. Are you understand students? Here 2 is the minus 2 is the common. Minus into minus plus 2. Sin is the tan pi by 8 is the sin of pi by 8 by cos of pi by 8. Therefore students, this is minus 2 into, what is the LCM is sin pi by 8 into cos of pi by 8. So now students, the cos into cos is cos square pi by 8. Sin into sin is the students sin square pi by 8. Therefore students, we can written as the minus 2 into cos square a minus sin square a is the cos of 2a. Cos square a minus sin square a is the cos of 2a. Therefore cos 2a is the students 2 into pi by 8. Therefore students, just you can observe here, what is there students? Into 2 and by 2. What we take here students? Into 2 by 2. Therefore students, when we are taking the into 2 by 2, that is we can written as the students the 1 by 2 into, this is also 2 sin a cos a sin of 2a. Are you understand students? What is the form sin 2a? Sin 2a is the 2 sin a cos a. So students, sin 2a is the 2 sin a cos a. Therefore students, now this is 2 is sending to the numerator, minus 4, 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. Therefore students, the 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar, this is cos 45 1 by root 2. This is also students 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. This is also sin 45 1 by root 2. So the required solution is the students minus 4. So just 1 minute students. The first we can written as tan 90 minus theta cot theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta. This is pi minus pi by 6. After that students, cot 180 minus theta minus cot theta. Just we take first and last terms. The tan is the sin by cos, cot is the cos by sin. After that we take the LCM. Then also take the common minus. This is the cos square a minus sin square a is the students cos of 2a. And also we take into 2 by 2. 2 sin a cos a is the sin of 2a. Now student, this is cos pi by 8, this is sin pi by 8. Tan pi by 8 is the tan pi by 8 is the sin pi by 8 by cos pi by 8. And also we take minus 2 common. Therefore cos square a minus sin square a is the form cos 2a. So we are taking into 2 by 2. 2 sin A cos A is the sin 2A. Therefore, this is the value 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. What is the answer, students? Minus of 4. Okay, students. Now the next one. If cos 2x, 3 cos 2y minus 1 upon 3 minus cos 2y, then tan x is to tan y. 3 cos 2y minus 1 upon 3 minus cos 2y. Okay, students. So, dear students, here also first you can take the reciprocal, students. 1 by cos 2x, 3 minus cos of 2y by 3 cos 2y minus 1. On applying the componendo, dividendo. What is the, students? On applying on both sides, componendo, dividendo. Just you can observe, students, when the simplification is given that, if the question is given that, what you observe, students? When the question is given that in terms of cos, undoubtedly we can take between plus and minus, in between 1 and cos, undoubtedly we got the, students, tan. That is our simple observation. Okay, students. Now in between, when we are taking the 1 and cos between plus and minus, then undoubtedly we got the tan x on applying the componendo, dividendo. So dear students, on applying on both sides by componendo, dividendo, what is the, students? We apply on both sides componendo and dividendo. So my dear students, the componendo, dividendo means we are taking a plus sign, 1 plus cos 2x. The same terms between we are taking the minus, between minus. So dear student, this is 3 minus of cos of 2y plus, what is the, students? 3 cos of 2y minus 1 upon, students, the first you can write the numerator is 3 minus cos of 2y minus 3 cos 2y minus of minus plus. Okay, students, how can you write the, student? This is 1 plus cos of 2x by 1 minus cos of 2x. 3 minus 1 is the, students, 2. Therefore, students, 3 minus 1, this is the 3 cos 2y, this is the minus of cos 2y. So, student, this is 2 cos of 2y upon, so students, the 3 plus 1 is the 4, minus 3 minus 1 is the minus 4 cos of 2y. Okay, students, right now we can written as 1 plus cos of 2x by 1 minus cos of 2x. This is the, students, 2 is the common, 1 plus cos 2y, 4 is the common, students. This is 1 minus cos of 2y. So dear students, what is the form? 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So what is the, students? 2 cos square x. So 1 minus cos 2x is the, students, 2 sin square of x. Similarly, this is the, students, 1 plus cos 2y is the 2 cos square y. 4 into, this is the, students, 2 sin square y. 2 cancel, students. This is also cancel. Now cos square x by sin square x. What is the, students? Are reciprocal on both sides. This is the, students, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Just 1 minute, students. How can you write this is? We can simply observe the, students. How can you write this is? Cos square x by sin, reciprocal on both sides. This is the, students, sin square x by cos square of x equal to, my dear students, when you can reciprocal on both sides, this is 2 sin square y by cos square y. So students, the sin by cos is tan square of x. Sin square by cos square y, tan square y. This is the, students, tan x by tan y whole square equal to 2 into tan y into tan square y sending other side by. Therefore, tan x by tan y whole square equal to 2. My dear students, how can you write this is the tan x by tan y equal to square root of 2. Square is sending other side root of 2. Now students, we can take the ratio is, that is the tan of x is to tan of y equal to root 2 is to 1. What students? The tan x is to tan y is the root 2 is to 1. Write down students. The tan x is to tan y is the root of 2 is to 1. Okay. Okay students. Now the next one. Cosecant 2x, 4x, cosecant 8x, 16x, 32x equal to students cot x minus cot of 32x. Okay students. So dear students, we take my dear students, first we take cosecant of x plus cot x. So what is the students? Cosecant x is 1 by sin x. What is the students? Cot x is cos x by sin x. This is 1 by 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x by sin x. So students, the 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is the students 2 cos square x by 2. Sin x is the students the 2 sin x by 2 cos of x by 2. Therefore, cos x by 2 by 1 time 2 cancel students. 1 time cos is also cancel. Cos by sin. This is the 1 time sin. 1 time cos cancel students. Cos by sin is the cot of x by 2. So students, how can you write this is the cosecant of x equal to cot of x by 2 minus cot x. So my dear students, on both sides replaced by 2x. What is the students? Put x equal to 2x, comma 4x, comma 8x, comma 16x, comma 32x on both sides. Okay students, first x equal to 2x, that is the students cosecant. My dear students, we got cosecant of 2x. 2x by 2 is the x minus cot of 2x. Now students, on both sides we are taking 4x, that is 4x by 2, that is the students 2x minus cot of 4x. Dear students, the cosecant of 6x, 6x by 2, my dear students, that is 3x cot of 6x. Are you understand students? Now we are taking the 8. My dear students, 8. 8 by 2 is the 4. My dear student, this is the 8x. After students, we are taking 16. That is the cosecant of 16x. 16 by 2 is the students. These are all substitute in the equation 1 only. That is the students 8x. What is the 16x by 2? Cot of 8x minus cot of 16x. So now students, finally we can substituting 32x. So dear students, 32x by 2, that is cot of 32x by 2 is the 16x minus cot of 32x. So adding all these, my dear students, adding all, this is the students cosecant of 2x, cosecant of 4x, cosecant of 8x, cosecant of 16x, cosecant of 32x. Dear students, minus cot plus cot, minus cot plus cot, minus cot x plus cot x. minus cot 16. These are all cancelled, students. Is there only the remaining is what is the, students? When you can adding all these, all terms are cancelled except cot x and minus of cot 32x. Are you understand, students? This is the value. My dear students, tan a 2 tan 2a 2 square tan 2 square a and so on 2 power n minus 1 tan 2 power n minus a equal to cot a minus 2 power n into cot of 2 power n into a. So dear students, we know that what is the, students? We know that cot of 2a, cot 2a is the, students, cot square a minus 1 by what is the, students? Cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. This is the formula of the, students. What is the formula, dear students? This is the formula of cot 2a. Now this is 2 sending other side. 2 cot 2a. So what is the, students? Cot square a minus 1 by cot of a. After then, students, the 2 cot 2a, cot square a by cot square a, cot a minus 1 by cot a. Now split into the two fractions. Or dear students, how can you write this is cot 2a is the cot square a minus 1 2 cot a. That is 2 is standing on the side 2 cot 2a. Therefore, student, this is expanded into the two fractions. Cot square a by cot a, that is cot a. 1 by cot a is the tan a. Dear student, first you can send the tan a to the other side. That is the, students, minus tan a cot a minus 2 cot a. So the first tan a is there, students. Now in the equation 1, so what is, students? Put a equal to, what is the, students? Put a equal to, we can substitute 2a. After then 2 square a. After then, how can you, students? How can you write this is? My dear students, just you can substituting 2a or 2 square a. Then also we can written as the, students. How can you substitute? Therefore 2 square a. Next one is 2 cube a, and so on, the, students. 2 power n minus 1 into a. Okay, are you understand? So dear students, the tan a is the value cot of a minus 2 cot 2a. Then, students, we have to find 2 tan 2a. That is the, students, the 2 tan 2a is 2 into, just now we can replace it by, what is the, students? We can replace it by a is the 2a. That is the, students, we can multiple with 2, students. This is, you can written as tan of 2a equal to, write down, students, cot 2a minus 2 cot 2 into 2 is the, students, 2 square of a. How can you write this is? A is the 2a. 2 into 2, 2 square a. Then, students, now we find the value of 2 square. What is the, students? We can take in 2 square tan of 2 square a. My dear students, tan of 2 square a. How can you write the, student? This is, we can write first 2 square. Tan square to a. Here replaced by a is 2 square of a. That is the, students, cot of 2 square of a. We are putting a equal to 2 square of a minus 2 into, students, cot square of 2 square a. 2 square into 2 is the, students, 2 cube of a. So, students, and so on, we can written as, suppose we are taking the, students, 2 cube into tan of 2 cube a. First you can write 2 cube. Dear students, we can replace by a is cot of 2 cube a minus of 2 into 2 power 4a, dear students, and so on. Finally, we can put what is the substitution, dear students? 2 power n minus 1. What is the students? We can substitute finally what the 2 power n minus 1a, that is tan of 2 power n minus 1a. 2 power n minus 1, dear students, we can substitute here the cot of what is the students? 2 power n minus 1a minus 2 cot 2 into 2 power n minus 1, that is the students 2 power n minus a. 2 power n a. Are you understand, students? 2 into, we can substituting 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 into 2. 2 power n a. So adding all these, my dear students, adding all these. So students, first the left hand side is there. Tan a, 2 tan 2a, 2 square tan 2a, 2 cube tan 2a, and so on. What is the left hand side is there? Tan a. After then 2 tan 2a, 2 square tan 2 square a, 2 cube tan of 2 cube a. Dear students, 2 power n minus 1 tan of 2 power n minus 1 a, that is nothing but, just you can observe, students, what we observed here. This is minus 2 cot 2a plus 2 cot 2a. Minus 2 into 2, dear students, 2 square. This is 2 square cot a. All are cancelled except the cot a. What is there, students? The first term is cot a and the last term is the students. What is the last term? When you can multiple with minus, this is minus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. That is the 2 power n cot of 2 power n into a. This is the students' proof. When you can multiple with this one, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2 power n cot 2 power n a. Are you understand, students? After, I will also explain the method of substitution also. Okay, students? I will explain the method of substitution at the time of progressions and series and the mathematical induction. Okay, students? Okay, students, this is today. All of you practice these models. Okay, thank you all.